In UK, while working as a doctor, you can easily lose up your medical registration if you do these three things. And about these things, culture is totally different in Pakistan. And number one is अपनी family का medical record देखना. While working in hospital, you have online access to every patient record. But if you try to look up a family member medical record, then you can easily lose your medical registration. And there have been many examples in UK जहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स ने ऐसी गलती की एंड उनकी मेडिकल रजिस्ट्रेशन ख़त्म कर दी गई. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कि अगर आपने किसी पेशेंट के फैमिली मेम्बर या नेक्स्ट ऑफ किन को उसका डायग्नोसिस या उसकी केयर के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बता दिया विच पेशेंट डिडंट वांट देम टू नो, then it can be a confidentiality issue, and this is a very serious thing in UK, and on that basis you can easily lose your medical license. But most of the time what happens in Pakistan that a patient gets a diagnosis, चाहे वो कैंसर हो या any other serious diagnosis, then except for the patient everyone in the family knows about it, and patient को end तक treatment and prognosis का idea तक नहीं होता. And the next one is, if you ever check a patient medical record out of curiosity, जिस पेशेंट की केयर में you have never been involved, then it can be a very serious issue in UK. And again there have been many cases in UK जहाँ पे इन चीज़ों को बहुत सीरियस लिया गया है, एंड बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स एंड इवन नर्सेज ने सिर्फ इस बेसिस पर अपनी मेडिकल रजिस्ट्रेशन लूज की है. UK में पेशेंट प्राइवेसी एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी आर वेरी सीरियस थिंग्स, and breaching these things are taken very seriously. I'm sure these things were interesting for you if you didn't know about it, or if you're planning to come to UK. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.